my name is Abhisar Upadhyay. My roll number is 21EX10002 and I am from section 13.
This is my third DIY assignment in which I am going to deassemble and then reassemble an optical wired mouse. So first of all, let me show you that it is in a working condition. Let me plug it in the laptop. Now as you can see from the screen that the cursor is moving perfectly, and also the red light is glowing, which shows the mouse is in working condition. Now I am going to deassemble it. For that I need to disconnect this from my laptop. As you can see here that there is one screw over here. I need to remove this, so let's remove this. As I have successfully removed the screw, now let's remove the upper case of the mouse. That's how our mouse looks from inside. Now I'm going to explain in details about all the parts inside the mouse. This is known as PCB, printed circuit board, in which all the other components are attached. There are two capacitors, this one and this one. Here is one resistor. Over here, this is one 5mm LED light. This is the scroll wheel. This is our left key button. This is our right key button. And here lies one very important part, that is Z encoder. It is having a hole inside through which this wheel is attached, and whenever we scroll the wheel, it senses the information and passes the information to our PC. That was all about the front part. Now let me show you how PCB looks from behind. So this is how our PCB looks from behind, and this is the USB wire coming, and there are 4 wires attached into the PCB. Now this is the chip known as 1C of our mouse, and it is having a very important sensor known as CMO sensor. CMO sensor senses the variation in light caused by 5mm LED. And here we have an optical lens. It helps in spreading and dispersing the light produced by 5mm LED. Now let me put it in the place and show you how it works. Now I'm going to connect it in the laptop. As you can see, the cursor is moving perfectly. Now let me explain you how it works in detail. Basically what happens when we move around our mouse, this 5mm LED light is continuously producing light. Now the lens which is placed over here spreads the light in all direction, and this light passes through the CMO sensor. Now what CMO sensor does, whenever wheel moves, there is some variation in the light, and accordingly it senses and passes the information to our PC. That was all about the working principle of the mouse. Now I am going to assemble it again. As you can see that we have reassembled it successfully. Now let's check whether it is in working condition or not. As you can see, the cursor is moving. It means that we have assembled it successfully. So thank you.